Hello everyone. Do you remember what you have learned all these days? Yes. So do you remember you have learned to count 1 to 10? Yes. Did you all practice at home? Did you count the objects and learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? So how many fingers do we have? Yes, 10 fingers. So remember, you have learned to count 1 to 10. Alright. Now ma'am will show you how to write number 1. So how many nose do you have? 1. And how many head do you have? Only 1 head. So already you have learned number 1. And now ma'am will show you how to write number 1. Okay? Okay. See, this is our term book 1 and we have to turn the pages, and as we turn the page we will get page number 53. See here, look here, this is number 1. How many ice creams are here? Can you see? Shall we count? Yes, only one ice cream here. See, 1. So 1 ice cream, and here you can see this number 1. In between, one dotted line is here. See, just we will join these dots carefully from top to bottom. Okay, we'll start slowly, carefully, without going out. We will join this line and make it 1. All right, now here number 1 we have already joined the line, and here how many ice creams are here? 1 ice cream. So only 1 ice cream. So shall we start writing here number 1? Shall we try? Yes. Now the dotted line is here and we will keep here the pencil. Okay? Little up and keep the pencil there. And how will we write? Downward. Start slowly, come down and touch the line. So what it is? 1. In the same way, we will write in the columns here. So now see, the dotted line is here and the other columns also. So by joining these dots, we get number 1. So shall we start? See the joined dots? We will join these dots first. Okay? Start from the top, come to the bottom. 1. Again, start from the top, come to the bottom line, touch the line. All right, again. So now you understood how to join the dots and write number 1. So shall we write again in the plain columns here? We'll see how to do it. See, as ma'am showed you, just keep the pencil somewhat in the middle of the column and draw downward. Okay, see, number 1, touch the line, touch the bottom line and write. So we get number 1. So carefully, slowly you can write. Understood? So this is how you write number 1 in your book. So you take your own time and write slowly and complete this writing number 1. And here down you can see an activity that is written here, circle number 1. Now look at this slate. It's already drawn and kept here. An apple. And here also so many numbers are here. So many other numbers we don't know, but here also 1 is here. See, so many ones are here. So how will you circle? Ma'am has already, other teacher has taught you how to draw a circle. See, we have to draw like this and join it. So is it looking like a circle? Yes, this is somewhat circle. So in the same way, we will do here. This is number 1. So how will we circle? The same way ma'am showed you here. Alright. Slowly circle number 1. In the same way, again, here this is not number 1. And here again number 1. So we have to circle again. Okay. Then in the same way, find out any other ones are here. Again one is there. Find out. Yeah. Here also number 1. Finish? No. Again there are number 1 again written there. Again we will search anywhere there is 1. Yes, one more 1 is here. So we will circle this also. So now you understood how to circle. Shall we do it in a book? Alright. Now you just see here. This apple is ready here with so many numbers and we have to do the circling. So shall we circle number 1? Yes. So slowly, carefully, you have to circle number 1. Okay? And all the number 1, see here, all the number 1s we have found out already. So what we have to do, have to circle it carefully. Okay? Start from the top and go round and join it. Okay? This is how you circle it. So one more is here. So we have done the last one also. Now did you understand, children? How to circle and how to write number 1? Yes? Alright. So you can write number 1 in this book and complete by yourself. Okay? Don't ask your mummy to write and complete this work for you. You can do by yourself. Take your own time and slowly you complete writing this number 1 in the book. So the book is neat. Understood? So carefully write number 1 and remember when you start writing number, start always from the top to bottom and touch the line. Understood? So this is how we write number 1. Ma'am has taught you how to crush a paper. You have learned to crush the paper and crumble the paper, everything. So with the crushing, shall we make number 1? Yes? Yeah, we will make number 1 with the crushed paper. So take newspaper and tear it tear the paper into little big pieces and crush it. Okay, crush it nicely and keep aside. Crush it. Again, take piece of paper, crush it. Just do the crushing. And shall we make number 1? Yes. Take little Fevicol and we will stick it into a paper. From top to bottom, ma'am already showed you how to write number 1. In the same way, we will keep this crushed paper, crushed balls from top, and we'll see what we are going to get. Close by. Okay. Stick it. Okay, what is this? Is it looking like something what you have learnt now, just now? Number 1? Yeah, very good. See, this you can try at home also. You can take newspaper and crush it, and you can stick it into any other paper or any stick. Then you can make number 1. Okay, children? So, understood how to write number 1 and how to make number 1 also with a crushed paper? Bye bye. Take care.